Air Monarch IV returns this fall with a wheat makeover that modernizes the legendary dad shoe while preserving its unmistakable chunky design. Swapping traditional leather for soft fabric, Nike's latest version introduces a fresh tonal brown look, drawing clear inspiration from Timberland's iconic 6-inch boot, a streetwear staple in New York City. This seasonally suited rendition blends rugged appeal with fashion-forward tweaks, aiming to capture both nostalgic dads and younger sneakerheads. Once a pillar of the 2010s dad shoe trend, the Monarch IV now rides the wave of the current mesh runner movement, thanks to its retro charm and sturdy silhouette. The panel-heavy upper remains intact, but the muted colorway gives the shoe a new kind of cool. While it's not designed for job sites, it's perfect for winding down after one. Expect the Nike Air Monarch IV wheat to drop in October 2025 for $100 via Nike.com. Official product images are already live.